my camera person Rajesh to show you the stones. You can see the bricks. Basically, the crowd has pelted on police because police is dispersing them. You can see in the visuals also that the way police has basically taken the charge and came into the action mode, and they have cleared the tracks. These protesters were protesting since early morning, we can say 10 a.m. in the morning. But now, as I said, that it is evening peak hour. A lot of people have been stranded at various stations because the trains are not plying between Badlapur to Kalyan, and because of this particular protest. But now, police is in action mode. You can see police have basically now many people who were protesting at this particular point. But protesters, in return, they did try to do the stone pelting. They did try to do the stone pelting on a police party who was basically asking them to vacate this particular station. Visuals also you can see. I'll ask my cameraman Rajesh to show you the visuals. You can see the visuals. You can see the shoes, the chappals, the sandals of people who were protesting when the police took charge of this particular station. And now you can see that the crowd has been dispersed completely by the police. You can see that there is not a single protester present at this particular station, Badlapur, which is kind of an epicenter, which had become the epicenter since the morning of this particular protest. These angry protesters were demanding only one thing, that a capital punishment should be given to the culprit today itself, and that was their demand, and they were quite adamant on their demand. Two cabinet ministers did come here to convince them. Girish Mahajan and Mr. Deepak Kesarkar, Education Minister, they did come here. They did try to basically convince them, but the crowd was not ready to listen to them, and that's why police had to resort to this kind of action mode. They forcefully vacated this entire station. Everywhere you can see, I'll ask my cameraman Rajesh to show you the visuals. Everywhere you can see, it is police party only. It's police personnel who have taken the charge of entire platform. All the platforms you can see only police personnel, and they have taken the charge of this station, which had become the epicenter of this particular protest since morning 10 a.m. As we were discussing it since last couple of hours, that this is a peak hour, evening peak hour for local, especially the Central Railway, and this particular station, Badlapur, is one of the important station, or we can say crowded station. After dispersing this entire crowd, now we can expect that a railway movement will happen. The railway movement, which was halted for many years since morning 10 a.m., that might get started soon, and that's why this action was taken by police, because a lot of people have been stranded at different stations. It's not only about the Badlapur, but it's about the complete line. As from the morning we are reporting because of this particular protest, how the timetable or the schedule of Central Railway has got disturbed. Many trains got cancelled, many trains got diverted, but now police have managed to disperse the crowd, and we are expecting that soon the railway movement will start, the locals will start.
है, ठीक नहीं जाता है।